In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your wallet or Apple Pay on the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, this is a super simple thing to do, and I'm going to guide you through every single step of the way. Now, before I get into the video, I just want to say, please make sure you watch the video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure that you do not miss out on any of the steps because it might not work. And one last thing, if you do find this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it was helpful. So the first thing you want to do on your iPhone 15 is ensure that you have your wallet set up. And the way that we do that is we go into the wallet app on our phone and make sure that we've added a card to it. So this is what the wallet app looks like, and at the top right there's a little plus sign here, and you can click that and you can add your card to that. You can also add things like boarding passes. You can add that all inside of here. Now I can make another video about how to actually add all that stuff, but today I'm just going to show you how you can access the option to use it. So what you want to do is put your phone into the lock screen like this, and then you want to double tap on the power button. Now I haven't got the wallet set up, so it's not going to work for me, but if you do it like this, just double tap, it's going to pop up there and come down from the top, and it should allow you to use Apple Pay. Now it's probably going to ask you for a password before it allows you to use it, but just put your normal password in for your iPhone. You can even use Face ID and that's going to work fine as well. But that's basically how you do it. So if you found this video useful, then be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below this video was helpful so other people can see the same video and get the same advice. Thank you for watching.